forth. Matt Berry.
Hi, we're here on the east side of our building continuing to put up our aluminum screens. This piece just showed up yesterday. They put it together, reassembled it on site. They're so big that we can't transport them in one piece.
I'm going to take a shot over here, Matt.
Sure. This is the next piece to be made. They're putting it together now.
You can see the joints where it was built in one piece, taken apart and reassembled on the job site.
So today we're putting the piece up. We have one of the holes in the back drilled. We're going to match up that hole and then align the new frame with the aluminum outriggers that we have poking out of the building. We have it drawn to the exact 1/16 of an inch, but in the field things change a little bit, and we want to make sure that the new frame and the existing outriggers all work together.
Yeah, well, the thing's aluminum and it has some pliability in it.
That's right.
So it only does what it does. That is one big piece of stuff, man.
About 70 feet long.
Ouch. Okay, one runs around.